How to fix no sound output problem. So if you are facing this problem in your Windows 11, follow this simple step. First and foremost, go ahead and tap on this Windows icon. You can go ahead and tap on the settings from a quick add or simply search for your settings. Either way, open the settings application of your PC. In the settings search bar, you have to go ahead and search for sounds. So go ahead and do that. So right here, go ahead and tap on sound setting. That is the first option displayed. Now make sure that the volume is something like this. That is a throbbing sound. Now right here, I do not have any external devices connected to me right now. It is just my PC speaker. So it is fine. However, if you have external device, you'll be having the option of add device. And make sure that the mono audio is toggled on. Scroll down under advanced and next to troubleshoot, go ahead and select the option of output devices. And it will take a while to troubleshoot the device problem. Mind it can consume a lot of time. However, once the troubleshoot is done, follow this next step. Tap on the Windows icon once again, and in the search bar, you have to go ahead and search for Device Manager. And tap Open the Device Manager. Go ahead and maximize the tab. Now you have to simply tap on Audio Input and Output and select the device or the driver you are facing this error on. Right click and go to the Properties. So right here, select Driver option. Then simply go ahead and uninstall the device. Then reinstall it once again. Once you do that, you can head back from here and restart your PC. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.